Hey guys, so I know I just literally posted a video, but I thought since this girl wanted to trade with me, or I wanted to trade with her, I think I'm going to record it, because she might scam me, even though we're using TS, you could still scam. So I think we'll see what happens. Egypt hair or TV. I spelled TV wrong. I love fantasy. So we're gonna make a look of her because I don't know if this is the. Hold on. NSP rare TV. Oh no. No, this is the that's the real one. This was in a rare week. This is the real one. These are real. Oh wow. Oh wow, I am so excited. Those aren't the real teethies. Oh my gosh. I wasn't in this for this one. Wow though, okay. Okay. Woo! Woo! Teethy, is that rare? Really? Oh, what else does this girl? Teethy, is that rare? Yes. So is Egypt hair. It's a non-level up diamond pack hair. Oh my gosh, this girl's gonna make me blow my head off. Oh gosh, okay, we're gonna make a look of her. See how many other rares she has, because you know, I might want another one of her rares. She has a lot of rares. It isn't just teethy. Or actually, she could have glitched it on. I didn't think about that part. She has no rares. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Okay, I take that back. She has a lot of the candy canes. She has one sorbet. This girl, she's doing pretty good with rares. Do I have more? Possibly, but I haven't seen all of the rares. I haven't looked through all the pages of her store. This isn't rare. Everybody thinks those shoes are rare. They're not. They're literally, I can show you guys. If y'all are saying they're rare, they're not. They're in the shop. Like, actually in the shop. You go to sneakers and 2 pages from the full back, there they are. Or it's 1 page from the back. But teethies are rare. I'm not kidding. She's giving me the real teethies. And that's the funniest part. She thinks I'm going to buy her a Wishy. Honestly, I should. She's being nice. Nice girl. There we go. I gave her a Wishy. She might block me, but I don't care. It's nice to do that. Yeah. Hold on, I want to see something. Rare sets on NSP. Let's put the images. Because I don't know what this is called. Oh gosh. I don't think there's going to be like any pictures about it either because that's how old of a rare it is. Actually, it's not that old. I shouldn't have said it was old. It's not that old. I remember this. That's the real Oh wait, the real teethies weren't. Oh my god. Hold on. Teethies were in the shops, and my hair isn't. I'm TC has. Go ahead. But go ahead. This girl is so crazy. Okay, clear that. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if I have candy cane here, so that might be a stupid thing to say. I have to check, because I honestly don't remember. Because I've collected rares. This account was made in December, and I already have so many rares. Probably because I bought a diamond package, so I bought a lot of clothes. I could give, actually no. I could give her, I don't like butterfly hair. It's so ugly. We'll give her butterfly hair. I'll say, alright. Well, I could set it back also for TV, and then alright, so I'm basically trying to catch this girl and see if she's a scammer. Do I have to pick a certain amount of category her shoes, or just any category? Well, I have like, well, okay, so I can't pick her. I mean, you can. Good offer. But it has to be a really good offer. Because I don't like giving people offers if they're not even good, you know what I mean? So, but it has to be a really good offer. Okay. Oh my gosh. Trust a black Elsa. It was in your wish list. Oh my gosh. I hate people like, you know what? Just do it now. guys so much for watching, and bye. Make sure to subscribe and send gifts for my mail time. Bye, y'all.